In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reduce the file size in Canva. When you are downloading your project or downloading your design from Canva, you have plenty of options to customize the quality of the picture or the video. And if you are willing to sacrifice the quality just a little bit, you should be able to get a smaller file size. But first, let's try downloading this photo and see what is the size of this photo without any further setting. I'm going to select the PNG and download the file to my computer. Now you can see that the file size is around 383 kilobytes, and in order to get it smaller, you can adjust some settings. For example, if I select the PNG file format, I have the option to limit the file size. Now usually this is not my option. I would rather use compress file option, and that usually will give me a slightly better result. And also you have the option to reduce the size, the dimension of the file. If you are make it smaller, then of course the file is going to be smaller as well. But let's try using the same dimension and just enabling this option. And when you click download, you will see a slightly smaller file size. Now it's actually not slightly, it's a massive improvement. So down from 383 to 144. Now you can also use a format like JPEG because it is also one of the best formats for displaying non-transparent picture or basically for a photo, real photo, you would like to use JPEG if you are downloading a logo or design or infographics. Then PNG is the best format, but for everything else, usually JPEG is the best option. Now here you have the option to adjust the quality. Usually Canva will reduce it to around 80%, but you can go down to maybe 50% if you want to, and you'll see that it will reflect the file size. Now let's try a bit more conservative to around 70%, and let's click download. And usually JPEG should yield a smaller file size, but then again, it really depends on the setting. So it is 31.1 kilobyte, and if you actually open the file size, let's say this is the original picture and this is the JPEG, the smaller one, you see there is almost no difference between one this is the original versus the one that actually being compressed. So that's how you can use Canva to compress the file size. If you want this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.